Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Marketing Collective, a new series where we profile different AI tools and hacks that can be used by marketers. Each week we're going to pick a new category and profile our favorite software. If you like the content, hit the thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. One last thing, we've just launched a free Slack community where you can network with other AI marketers, you can find jobs in AI, and learn tricks and tips from your peers. A free invitation will be found down below in the comment section. Let's dive in. For our first week, we're going to focus on the top 5 AI tools that work well for demand gen marketing. If you're a head of demand gen or you work in a demand gen role, you won't want to miss this one. All right, first on the list, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the undisputed king of AI. They are the original hype creator. It actually powers many of the tools that are currently available in the marketplace. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT, you should go and sign up for free. I'm not sure how long it's going to last free because this thing is really amazing if you haven't used it. They do have an upgraded version. Let's dive in a little bit deeper on that. So if we look at ChatGPT, you can actually upgrade to Plus, which is $20 a month. And with a free plan, you can see the differences available when demand is low. So when demand is high, you still get to use it. So there are some benefits. I have found there's some times where I've gone and ChatGPT is down. Happens to be up right now, so we can give it a go. All right, so we're going to start with a prompt. Let me go ahead and enter my prompt in here. So my prompt is that I'm looking for some subject lines for a demand gen email I want to send out. I happen to work in the construction software industry, and our software platform is designed to help general contractors improve profitability. Let's see what happens. So within a few seconds, we've got multiple different subject lines that we can use as a starting point. All right, I like some of these ideas that ChatGPT gave me, so let's roll with number 1. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I like number 1. Can you build an email based off that? All right, let's see what we get. Wow, I still really love to watch this thing build. I think it's so fun to just sit here and watch as the AI goes and builds an entire email for you. Now keep in mind, this email is going to be something that you have as a template. It's not necessarily going to be the end-all be-all of your demand gen marketing, but what it does is it gives you a place to start. And sometimes when you have writer's block, that's one of the hardest things, is just getting started. And so wouldn't recommend you use this exact email, but I would recommend that you go and you read it and you kind of use it as inspiration as you're working on your demand gen emails. All right, that's ChatGPT. Now on to number 2. Number 2 is an exciting one, and there's this company out there called AdCreative.ai. I've been in digital marketing for about 15 years, and I've managed digital marketing campaigns directly, and I gotta say, this is a game changer. If you have an agency or you're running brand work or you've got performance marketing, e-commerce, you name it, this company can do it all. So let's dive in a little bit. So what we have, if we kind of go through the menu and take a look, is we've got the ability to generate creative. You can generate text and headlines. You can see creative insights. You can generate social posts. So quite a bit of functionality here. You can upload your own ads. You can run the ads that they come up for you. As you can see, it's powered by OpenAI, which is the back end of ChatGPT. And if you go down here, they've got some stats and metrics. They say that you can get up to 14 times higher conversion rates, and over 95% of users improve their click-through rates. Pretty substantial benefits here. We're seeing some great results ourselves, and I can see this being a game changer for a lot of companies. Let's take a look at the pricing. So from a pricing perspective, pretty reasonable. You can start at $29 a month. You can scale up to $149 a month. You get all these different features, from unlimited generations to Facebook and Google integrations to free stock images. They've got thousands of different images. And then you've got their text generator AI, Creative Insights Pro, and you get up to 4 users depending on how many users you need. So again, that is AdCreative.ai. I'll have a link in the comment section if you want to check them out. On to number 3. All right. So for number 3, we have SEO.ai. Now there's a lot of questions around SEO and AI right now, and Google's stance on it and Microsoft's stance on it. And so what I would say is, kind of tread lightly here, but the thing is, the concept isn't new. There's all sorts of companies. Surfer SEO is one. There's some stuff you can do in SEMrush that's similar, but this one is purely AI, so I'm pretty interested in digging in and looking at this. So let's dive in a little bit deeper. So if we look at here, we've got to try it now for free. So you've got a free trial. There's a video here that I'd highly recommend you watch that kind of shows you how the AI works. It's pretty phenomenal. You can pretty much tell it to do anything and it'll build out content for you. So here are the primary features: keyword research, SEO scoring, content suggestions, competitor benchmarks, real-time SEO guidance, let the robot write for you. And there's some testimonials here from other marketers, and then a little bit more about their content. And they've got this scoring. Like I said, there's another company out there called Surfer SEO that does this, that I've used in the past with some great results. So they've got a 7-day free trial. You can use their standard for $49 a month, or enterprise looks like you have to contact them. So that's SEO.ai, super interesting. If you guys try it out, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear back. All right, next, this one is exciting. This one really just blows my mind. In marketing, one of the holy grails is being able to fully customize and automate video. And so if you have a group of companies and you're in B2B and you're really trying to target a particular persona, one of the challenges there is really just your bandwidth. How quickly can you record very custom videos and send them to multiple stakeholders in order to get them to demo or trial your product? So with this platform, what this company has done, which is pretty phenomenal, is they've come up with a way to create dynamic videos at scale. And so they have multiple options. So you can go in here and click on use cases, go to sales and marketing, and you can get started for free. But let's talk through some of the use cases. So you can either take your own voice and video and upload it, and with that you can come up with all different types of options with names and product features, and the AI will learn your voice and it will take a look at your face and it'll actually do a facial scan and come up with very dynamic videos in terms of being able to show those to prospects. Some of the metrics they have here: 124% improvement in open rates, 600% improvement in click-through rates, 300% improvement in conversion rates when using BHuman. If you don't have the time or you don't have an extensive team to record your own video, they actually have templates, which is super interesting. So you can actually pick a template. They've already got someone on video. You can feed them the dynamic data. Think about like HubSpot or Marketo when you're just inserting names. They'll do that, but in video. Pretty wild stuff. I think it's really cool tech. Would love, again, to hear your feedback here. We can take a look at pricing. It's currently in beta. Again, pricing here is pretty reasonable from my perspective, from $39 a month to $150. Enterprise, of course, they want to talk to you, see how big your program is. But I mean, even at $150, you're doing 1,800 videos a month. That is a lot of custom videos that you can get out via demand gen. So really like this one. Again, try it out. Let me know what you think. Let's move on to the last one. Last but not least is Compose.ai. So Compose.ai is leveraging the ChatGPT OpenAI backbone, giving you the ability to write anything in terms of email or tweets or a LinkedIn post, and it's a Chrome extension, which is really nice. So then it can kind of pop up anytime. So it has a bunch of different features. It will do the autocomplete for you. You can ask it to write an outline just like we did with ChatGPT, but you can do this anywhere. You don't have to go to ChatGPT to do it. And it can rephrase sentences. It can compose email. It can help you with email replies. I mean, there's a ton of different use cases here that I really like. There's some good testimonials on here. And they do give you up to 1,000 words a month for free, which I think is pretty good. So I'm trying the free version right now. But if I really like it, I might go to the paid version. They don't have the paid version here on the price. We have to dig in a little bit deeper to find that, but it's pretty reasonable, just like the other platforms we've been showing. So yeah, I mean, in terms of my top 5 AI, those are the top 5 right now in March of 2023. I would love to hear from you in the comments and tell me what you think, and whether or not what you want us to focus on next for the next video. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching. Look forward to connecting with you on social.